Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
I know that. I have a good brain.
Yes, you do.
And I'm only 8.
Almost 8.
My birthday's tomorrow.
Yeah, you're almost 8.
Today was great. I got a shiny Rayquaza.
Mm-hmm.
The Pokemon.
Yep. Your Allen wrench.
Do that. And wee! Honk. Honk. You left a warm spot. You left a warm spot. This is as tight as it can go.
Okay, now, so
How do you make
to
it
get more
even tighter?
leverage, take it, instead of going this way, go this way. And now try it.
Huh?
Yeah, see, it makes feel like you're stronger almost, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's called leverage.
What does leverage mean?
Leverage is when you can use, see, when you use this side, you're only using the strength from this little part here, but when you take it from this further out part, you can really torque it down there. Good. Try it on the other ones.
Now, do this and this video. You need to pull it straight out, or else it's gonna break this part if it's been used a lot, because then it gets softer, I think.
It'll strip it, yeah. So you gotta get it in there nice and firm and then give it a twist.
And you also have to put it in straight, enable for it to get in the hole.
Yep.
I think it's really tight now.
Okay, check out those other two.
Let me just check this one more time. I had it to pull it straight out, see?
Yep, you got one more. Torque this one down.
Torque it down.
So now put that inside the base. Nope, over here. Upside down. Turn it upside down. There you go. Excellent. Make sure it's straight. Good. And then put your chair on top of that. Almost done.
Ow.
Careful.
Is the screw still in?
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's in there. Good. There you go. Sit on it. See if it works.
Okay. Now let's see.
Nice job.
It doesn't even do it.
There you go.
This is fun.
Well, there you have it. Nice job.
And there you have it, folks.
Pretty slick. Nice job, Jay.